In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mailchimp for social media marketing. So first, in your Mailchimp dashboard, head over to integrations and here search up for a specific app or social media where you would like to use Mailchimp for your marketing. So say for example, it's Facebook. So all you have to do is type in Facebook and connect your Facebook account. So just follow all the on-screen prompts in connecting your account with Mailchimp. Once done, in the left panel, click on Create and click on Social Post. Now here, add in an internal social post name, then click on Begin. Now from here, choose the platform and make sure that you toggle it on, then click on Save and Continue. So now here, add text, images, or links to your post and make sure that you matched it to your branding. And once done, click on Save and Continue. Now customize what you share. So all you have to do is toggle on the social platform that you would like to share at once. Once done, click on Save and Continue. So here you have an option to publish it now, but you can also schedule it for later. From here, choose a date, of course, and a time in which you want this post to be published on your social media account. Then click on Publish Now. And after posting, head over to your campaign manager to see likes, shares, and clicks for your campaign. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!